have a flat tire and I don't know what to do.
The most famous reindeer of all.
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
What's up, broskies? I'm a mess. I'm vlogging on my phone right now because I didn't bring my camera, but I don't know what to do. I gotta make some calls, hold on.
A few phone calls later.
Okay, so the day started at like 3:30 a.m. when I woke up and I was just wide awake. I was like, good morning everyone, let's go. So I was like, let's go to Cycle Bar, right? So I left super early in advance and drove like 20 miles an hour the whole way. It took a literal hour to get to Cycle Bar. And so then Cycle Bar is canceled. Classes canceled. So I drove an hour for no class, which is fine. I laughed about it. I had a good chuckle. And then I was like, all right, well, I'll still work out. I'll get my little body moving. So I went to the good old Planet Fitness that's like right across the street, right? So I go in, I do my workout, I come out, I turn my car on, and it says my passenger back tire pressure is 2. And I was like, that's no bueno. Oh no, I don't know how to change a tire. So I called AAA. They're coming in like an hour and 30 minutes. I'm happy freaking morning. This is just like life. Life happens. You gotta laugh about it. Let me show you the tire for a quick second. She's a little flat. She's just a little flabby down there, you know?
A very cold hour and a half later.
Guys, they're here, everyone. They're here. I just don't know how to be a human and talk to them though. So, wish me good luck. Hi. I'm scared. They don't do it. Ah. Do I shake his hand? Yeah, I'm gonna shake his hand. Do I shake his hand?
Update, I shook his hand.
My hero, right there. Update. There's an object in my tire. Alright everyone, we have the little donut tire on. He said that I probably don't have to buy a new tire. I just need to get it fixed at an actual like tire place.
After going to an actual like tire place.
So after all of that, I went to VIP Tires to see if they can fix it, and they were like, we'll take that one tire, patch it up, you come back later. Anyways, so after this big long adventure, and it's only 7:52 a.m. right now, I got Mr. Bagel, got a nice little multigrain bagel with veggie cream cheese, and then I'm gonna go home, edit, take a nap, whatever they're gonna call me and tell me when I can get my freaking tire back.
2 naps and a lot of screaming later.
Hello, broskies. What the heck is up? It's 7:23 at night, okay? I didn't vlog like at all today except for the beginning part of my morning with the whole tire fiasco. Why is my camera dead? Okay, so my camera died. So everything was fine. Like, I kept a good freaking spirit, right? I was still giggling, I was laughing, not letting it get to me. I got a call from the University of Tampa, and I was like, oh boy. They were like, you still haven't submitted your housing application, which was due a day ago. I completed that housing application March 10th. Okay, so that's like 9 months. 9 months ago I did. Am I doing that correctly? Yeah, there's like a glitch in the system or something that it looks like I didn't do it, but actually when you like go into my portal or something, then it actually is completed. I don't really know, but that was the thing that just sent me over the edge, okay? I met a Libby that I did not want to meet ever in my life. She was a very angry gal. Big apologies to Share Bear because she's just trying to enjoy like the Florida sun, and I'm over here calling her like every second, just like swearing at her and like screaming my head off. I'm sorry for saying some no words, Mom. Long story short is that I did not vlog a lot because of my negativity. I didn't just like want to give those like negative vibes to you, but we're back because you know what I did? Got myself in the shower, took 2 naps today, and just cuddled with my dog. So I think that's the remedy to just like get the no good lid out. So like I think I found my zen again.
Are you sure about that?
And you know what? The night is young. It's 8:03 right now. I have an idea. So what the plan is that we are going to set up a tent in my living room. Great idea. I know it's an amazing idea. Okay, let's set this up. It's up. That was like a full-on workout. Like my back hurts and everything. Oh my god. It's my humble abode for the night. Next step, blow up mattress. Now I just need to decorate. All right, and there she is, folks. This is it, everyone. This is the freaking life, let me just tell you. You know, I feel as though I'm in a little bubble of just like my good energy. I think I just did a little bit too much adulting today. The negative energies got to me. I could just like stay here forever, for real. Just bask in my happiness.
And then Libby decided she could not live a life without babies, puppies, burritos and rainbows. Thank you so much for watching this video, broskis. If you feel like it, please give this a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Make me famous, please, and thanks. Always remember to do something crazy today. See you, broskis, tomorrow.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is